So that's why we compare and contrast. So taking that idea, the sadhaka, oh, see how desperate the gopis are. See how vibram and unmad and pramad the gopis are. For what? To find Krishna. They're searching. They're making inquiry. Where is Krishna? You associate or learn from the spiritual master, and you ask so many questions. Can you tell me where is Krishna? How can I find Krishna? And he tells you, but you have more and more questions, and he has no more answers. So then you say, what I do? He said, you go here, you'll get more answers here. So you go to Shiksha Guru, and you get more answers. And so this is the inquiry, the search, and you become desperate. And so when you come to Vrindavan, and also do sadhu sangha, and the Panchanga Bhakti of Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Brajavasastale, and Harinam Kirtan, and Murti Seva, and Vaishnava Sadhu Sangha, and then you become mad, you become crazy like the gopis. So utter hopelessness, and don't stop searching, and ask everyone, and keep asking and asking. It's a fact, when oftentimes we go and meet sadhus, all of us. So what do you ask that sadhu? What is your inquiry? What is your prashna? That you have to think. But the gopis only have one question. Can you show me Krishna? How can I see Krishna?